Guess what we have here today?
I just might pop off, cause God is my papa, yeah. Now we're gonna change the game, knocking your socks.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashleica for those of you who don't know me. If you do, welcome back. It's great to see you. Today we are going to be installing this beautiful hair from Gorgius Hair. So if you want to see how I install this hair, keep on watching. Alright, so today we are working with this beautiful wig from Gorgius Hair. This is a natural color, layered cut, straight 5x5 lace wig, and it's 18 inches. It's 100% human hair, super light and realistic and flowy and heat resistant. And it has medium cap size with adjustable straps. I absolutely love that they added a strap like glueless wigs have, but they also made it so that you can adjust where the strap goes, not just tightening the strap, but actually adjusting where you place the strap in the wig cap. That to me is a game changer, so I absolutely love that. And it comes with the standard 4 combs for security and safety. All right, this is what the wig looks like on my head at the moment. No styling done whatsoever. The top is very bumpy, so we're definitely gonna hot comb it. But even just smoothing my hands down, you can see that this hair is gonna lay pretty flat. In the meantime, I'm going to hot comb and pluck because the hairline is not as plucked as I'd like it to be. But this lace is gonna be super easy to cut. So far, this hair feels very lightweight, very soft. Doesn't tangle, which is really nice. Feels like the 100% human hair that it is. I'm excited to see how it turns out. See, the hairline is plucked a lot more than it was before. So I plucked the hairline a little bit. Honestly, I could pluck it more, but just plucking this much took so much time. Now I'm just going to continue to hot comb it a little bit and then start cutting the lace. I have to say that this hair has been, I can't see, oh my gosh. This hair has been super easy to style so far. This hair is so smooth. It takes to heat really, really well. And plucking has been pretty good. It's just plucking, as plucking does, takes a really long time. This hair is amazing so far, and I can't wait to cut the layers. That's what I'm most excited for. So let's get to that. This is what the hairline is currently looking like. You can still see the glue a little bit. So I'm just gonna put a bit of powder to cover that up, and then we should be done with this look. I love it so far. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Alright guys, these are the final results. I absolutely love this hair. It's giving me like the perfect mix of like 90s layers, but also like low-key curtain bang vibes just from like the side here. And I absolutely love it. This is so cute. I love this hair. If you're looking for a casual everyday look or a sophisticated look, this layered wig is perfect for you. It's definitely no styling experience friendly because I typically don't really style my hair, kind of just like curl it or straighten it, whatever. So the fact that this hair already came with layers and they make it super easy to layer a bit more is perfect. Even though this hair is great for everyday look, I feel like this adds a bit of sophistication to the everyday hair because it's just giving a bit more grown, a bit more like, you know, there's just something there, and I really think it's the layers. And sorry if I'm being annoying and I'm touching my hair so much. It's just after I do an install, if the hair is super soft, it's hard for me to not touch it. And y'all, I feel like this hair would suit any face shape. Because of the way that it's layered, it's designed to suit any face shape. Absolutely gorgeous. I think that this hair would work in any season, but considering that we're in spring, I think it's really nice to have like super lightweight, flowy hair. This is perfect for that. The fact that it comes with a band in the back, you can easily make this a glueless wig. Like I decided to glue it, but I'm sure that on days where I don't really feel like gluing it, I can just strap this on and put some powder to kind of like cover the lace, and I can wear it like this because this band is really tight. Thank you so much for watching this install with Gorgius Hair, and thank you to Gorgius Hair for sponsoring this video. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and found a way to be a little bit extra stylish this spring with this layered wig. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below if you're planning on purchasing this hair, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Did you know that less than 10% of my viewers are subscribed to my channel? Crazy. Shocking. If you want to be a part of the real ones who subscribe to my channel, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video. I aim to post every Sunday, and I do say aim because sometimes I'm a little bit late, but we're growing. Alright guys, don't forget not to limit yourselves and be the best you that you can be, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.